Good morning, you guys, and happy 1st of December. It's our second day of Vlogmas, and we're starting our day in pajamas. Also, I didn't rush with all the Christmas cups, so since it's 1st of December, as I said again, I took it out because it's the perfect time to start drinking. It's also our national day today. So everyone's free, and I chose her an outfit in our colors. So yeah, I also have to find myself some. I don't know if I can match her, but yeah, we'll try. So I have some footages from last week, and she's so happy when I talk to the camera. And she's always smiling. So in this video I'll show you what we've done in the last days. I would like to go out and film because the Christmas fair is up and all the lights are also on since yesterday, but it's raining terribly here, so I don't think we'll go out today because it's trashy weather. So we'll see, maybe we'll go tomorrow or in another day, so I could film for you guys. I hope your December will be blessed, full of happiness and health, and also lots and lots of joy. So we'll start off today with this outfit, and probably we'll get to wear this also by tonight. You want the other one also? You want the other one also? Look, here's the other one. You want both of them? Hoppa! So for me, I couldn't find anything yellow, but I chose these pants, a blue blouse, and a super red cardigan, a knitted one. I think this one's vintage from my mom, but I really love it. All the details on it are nice, and also the bottoms. Boo boo! So we are getting Christmas ready, and we took out all the decorations, and I like to start every year to see everything we've got, and after that to buy something new, because everything is so tempting in the stores. Every little new decoration is so cute and so tempting to buy, so that's why I took out everything. It's here, and also here in this little box. I also have here 2 other bags with Christmas stuff, and also here one big chunk of decorations, and the tree. I don't know what I did with the tree. Yeah, also here's my little helper. She's super excited about everything. Good morning, guys. So for the first time I tried rolled oats in the oven, baked oats with banana and cinnamon and milk and a little bit of jam on top. It's stunning, I love it. And little princess loved it too. She ate almost everything. That's only the top that was harder, that's why she didn't eat it, but she loved it. It's the first time I did this, but it was very delicious. Guys, we arrived at the Christmas fair, or at the Christmas market. It's super cold. It's the 3rd day since since they opened it, but it rained a lot, and I'm here with my princess. And yeah, she doesn't like to stay in one place, so we're moving. we're moving, and let's see what they have here. I mean, it's cold, but it's okay. It's not so cold. And here is the nativity scene. I'll show it to you guys in a bit. And let me show you. Let me show you around. Look. That's an Orthodox church, and this one is a Greek Catholic church. And here is the nativity scene. The reason why we celebrate Christmas. Let's not forget about that, guys. That's it for today, guys. I'm editing right now the clips for tomorrow. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, this vlog. And let me know in the comments below what other ideas would you like to see on my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.